How to enable dark mode on Google Drive. If any day you are a Google Drive user and you would like to enable dark mode on Google Drive, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Google Drive on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on Google Drive like this. After you tap on Google Drive like this, now what you have to do is you have to go to the three lines on the top. After going to the three lines on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the settings icon on your Google Drive. After going to the settings icon on your Google Drive, now you can see the option of choose the theme. Now you have to tap on the option of choose the theme, and after you tap on the option of choose the theme, now you have to set it to dark like this and then tap on the option of dark. Now after you tap on the option of dark, now your setting is set to dark. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.